According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 225.62, an outdoor disconnect is required for mobile homes and recreational vehicles. However, this requirement does not typically extend to permanent buildings. When considering an indoor main distribution panel, or MDP, feeding multiple buildings, several factors come into play. Firstly, safety is a primary concern. While not mandated by the NEC, having an outdoor disconnect for the new building can significantly enhance safety. In the event of an electrical fire within the MDP indoors, an outdoor disconnect allows firefighters to quickly and safely cut off power to the new building without needing to enter a potentially hazardous zone. Secondly, maintenance is another important consideration. An outdoor disconnect simplifies maintenance and repair tasks on the MDP. Without it, any work on the MDP would necessitate a complete power shutdown to both the original building and the new building, causing disruption. With an outdoor disconnect, maintenance can be performed on the MDP while maintaining power to the new building, or vice versa. Thirdly, code compliance must be verified. Although the NEC does not explicitly require outdoor disconnects for permanent buildings in this scenario, local jurisdictions may have their own specific regulations. These local codes can vary significantly, so it is crucial to consult with your local authorities or a qualified electrical inspector to determine if there are any additional requirements in your area. Even if not strictly required by code, installing an outdoor disconnect for the new building fed by the indoor MDP is generally recommended. This provides an extra layer of safety, convenience, and flexibility for both emergency situations and routine maintenance activities. If you decide against installing an outdoor disconnect, it is imperative to clearly label the MDP indoors. This label should indicate that the MDP also feeds the new building. This is vital information for emergency responders and maintenance personnel, ensuring they are aware of the electrical setup and can respond appropriately in any situation.